Everybody assumed that at least the mass quarantine saved a lot of lives. That was assumed even though nothing like this had ever been tried before. And now it turns out that may be wrong, that assumption, which would be amazing. Fox medical contributor Dr. Marc Siegel has more on that. Hey, doctor.
Tucker, lockdowns don't work if there's already a lot of virus in the area, in the community, in the state, in the country. J.P. Morgan came out with a study today that's really shocking. It showed that the European countries that were locked down did not do as well, have not done as well as the ones who aren't. And that applies to the United States, too, where over 20 states that have come out of lockdown have actually seen a decreased number of cases. South Dakota, which was never locked down at all, has had almost no cases over the last several days. Now, why would this be happening? You know, in Hong Kong, this is very interesting. 7 million people in Hong Kong, Tucker, and they're on the border with mainland China, and 2.5 million visitors a month come across. They have a very ineffective government. You know why they have been able to do so well with only 4 deaths from COVID-19? Because the people behaved. They knew from SARS. They knew from Hong Kong flu. They knew how to do social distancing. It wasn't locking down. Locking down definitely doesn't make the problem better in terms of if there's already a lot of virus. You know what locking down does, Tucker? Locking down destroys our healthcare system to the point where we have more heart attacks that are not going to the hospital now, more strokes that are not going to the hospital now, more cancer that is not being screened. Our cancer screening is down 90% right now, and 4 out of 5 people surveyed in the United States said they're afraid to go to the emergency room right now. Deaths of despair, Tucker, finally, deaths of despair. Wellbeing Trust estimates that deaths of despair are going to be up 75,000 because of COVID-19 and people not having jobs.
It's just so crushing. It seems like that should be tomorrow's page 1 New York Times story. I hope it will be. Dr. Siegel, thank you for that.
Suicide, drug abuse, alcoholism. It's going to be more deaths from despair than from the virus itself, Tucker. That's our virus.
It's unbelievable. Thank you.